ওমন রমজানের ওই রোজার শেষে এলো খুশির ঈদ। তুই আপনাকে আজ বিলিয়ে দে শোন আসমানি তাগিদ।
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you how to make WhatsApp status with Eid special. First of all, I take the background and next I take the sum of image. You can download it from Google. I download it from Google. You can get many types of image here. Then I import it from media. I crop it because I need only this moon. I adjusted this moon. One thing of my viewers, if you new in my channel, please subscribe my channel for watching more videos, more tutorials. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now adjusted. Now I blending this image with written. Soft light not better, written is lighten is good. Now I take this animation and the sun should be small to bigger transformation. Watching this video step by step, you can make many types of videos or status with this technique. Now I am imported some animation. I download it from Google. You can download from Google many types of animation you can find here. I'm adjusting the moon color because the moon should be lightened. That's why now it's good. Now it's done. I'm adding the background music. You can adding or any types of music as you want. Now down my this WhatsApp status or video. Hope you like to enjoy this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching this video. See you next time.